Well, here I am, coming to record a person who says he doesn't snore. So I'm going to just go into Michael Fediani's room and listen to the noise. Well, there you have it. I'm sure he's going to blame his wife.